How long can you keep meat in a freezer? The short answer: it's about quality, not just safety. Properly stored meat in a freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 18 degrees Celsius or below, will be safe to eat indefinitely. Freezing prevents the growth of microorganisms that cause food poisoning. However, the real limiting factor is quality. Over time, all frozen meat will suffer from freezer burn and a gradual loss of flavor and texture. Here are the general guidelines for how long different meats can be stored in the freezer while maintaining their best quality. Steaks and chops, such as ribeye or pork chops, 6 to 12 months. Roasts, 4 to 12 months. Ground meat, 3 to 4 months. Whole chicken or turkey, up to 1 year. Chicken or turkey pieces, up to 9 months. Ground poultry, 3 to 4 months. Bacon and sausage, 1 to 2 months. Whole or half ham, 1 to 2 months. Lean fish, like cod or flounder, up to 6 months. Fatty fish like salmon or tuna, 2 to 3 months. Shellfish like shrimp or scallops, 3 to 6 months. Cooked meat, 2 to 3 months. Luncheon meats, 1 to 2 months. When freezing meat, remember that proper packaging is the most important factor. Always use heavy-duty freezer bags, airtight containers, or vacuum sealing to remove as much air as possible, as air causes freezer burn. Your freezer should be at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or colder to maintain quality. Freeze meat quickly by placing packages in a single layer against the freezer walls until solid. To identify freezer burn, look for grayish-brown leathery patches or icy crystals on the meat's surface. While safe to eat, the affected areas will be dry and tough and are best trimmed off before cooking. For best practices, always label your packages with the contents and the date you froze them. Avoid overloading the freezer with warm food at one time and try to use older frozen items first to maintain a cycle of fresh-tasting meat.